It's this that you have to understand that explains why the Navajo language can be complex. For instance, let's say that I want to say I kissed Sally. I kissed Sally. Now, here is how you say I kissed Sally in Navajo. Sally. Nanet Oz. Now the thing is that when you say I kissed Sally, the verb kissed tells you that it tells you what happened, which was kissed, and it tells you when it was happened, which was in the past. So, but if you look at the verb, nanet oz, that verb in Navajo gives you more information about what happened. For example, it tells you how many times Sally was kissed, as well as the kissing and the fact that it's happened in the past. And it tells you who did it. It tells you that I kissed Sally. But the thing is that in the sentence, Sally nanet oz, in that sentence, you don't have to say I or you or me or she, because the verb is already conjugated to tell you about the situation. In English, if you want to know more about the situation, you have to use extra words in a sentence. For example, I kissed Sally. The verb kiss doesn't really tell you that much about the situation. So, to clue people in about what happened, you have to use more words. If you want to say that you kissed Sally a bunch of times, you would have to say, I kissed Sally a bunch of times. And to say who kissed Sally, you have to add an extra word, which is I kissed Sally. The Navajo verbs are conjugated in a very complex way so that the listener is provided with extra information in one verb about the whole situation, which is why the Navajo verb system can be so complex. Yeah. By the way, when you read the verb nanets oz, when you read that verb, the lines on top of the A, the E, and the two O's, that means that the letter has an upward inflection. So when you say it, your voice has to go upward, like ah. And when you see the little squiggles under the O's, that means that you have to say it nasally, like ah, ah. Okay?